Triple Crown in 2015.
Yes, I'm really happy to be here. I think it's a great event. It's the first time I have the opportunity to do an event like this in a place like this one. So really happy to enjoy these 2 days here and really looking forward to jump on the bike. Until this day, I did all my presentations in Spain, and here in Bali is different. We hope it will be a good season, but anyway, our head is already in Malaysia, because in 3 days we will test the new bikes, and it will be important tests because on the first test you choose little bit the direction what you will follow during all pre-season, and will be important also to check the new bike, because we have the Proto Valencia, but with some modifications that it is winter time, and we will try to do our best, try to follow the best way, and the goal is try to arrive in Qatar with the best package, with the best bike, and try to fight for the victory from the first race.